Is your baby eating but still not gaining enough weight? Are you searching for healthy food that can help your little one get more nutrients and calories from every bite? In today's video, I am sharing two homemade baby recipes that are creamy, nutritious, and made with wholesome ingredients to help your babies to add weight massively. The first ingredient we are going to be using for this recipe is yogurt. We'll be using drinkable Greek yogurt, so please do well to grab a jar of Greek yogurt for your child if you want this recipe to work for your baby. The next ingredient is rice, and here I measured out 1 cup of rice, and we are going to wash the rice and parboil it until it is finely cooked. One of the biggest concerns many parents have is seeing their baby eat but still look smaller than they expected. You prepare meals, you try different food, and you wonder if there is something you can do about it. The truth is, babies have small stomachs, so the goal is not always feeding them more food. The goal is choosing foods that provide more nutrition and energy in every spoonful. That is why homemade baby food can be a great option, because you have control over all the ingredients you use. So today I'm going to show you these two powerful recipes, and I assure you that in just 7 days you're going to see amazing difference in the weight of your baby. Just last week, I received messages from 3 different mothers who really made me smile. They really made my day. They came into my inbox to share their experiences and testimonies after trying some of the recipes I have shared here on Chubby Baby's Kitchen. One of the mothers told me that she tried my homemade Cerelac recipe and she was so happy with how it turned out. Like, she was so grateful her child took it, and not only did her child took it, every member of her family enjoyed it. She said that her baby enjoyed it and she loved that she could make it often in her house, and it is a healthier homemade version made in her kitchen. Another mother told me that she tried one of my pap recipes. You know, I have so many weight gain pap recipes on the channel. If you have not seen anyone, please go and check it out. So she told me that she was so excited about the results she got on her child when she started feeding her child the pap recipe. And the other mother shared something that really surprised me. She told me that she started making the homemade plant milk recipe, the oat milk, and since then they have reduced how much milk they buy and use in their house. They make their own nutritious milk at home now. And this is why I always encourage you not to just watch these recipes and leave them for later. Just try them. You have to try them. Once you have seen a recipe here, please do well to try them, because when I share a recipe with you, it is not just something I picked randomly from the internet. These are recipes I test, prepare, and carefully put together before sharing them with you. So if you have been watching my videos and you are still struggling to start, this is your sign to take that first step. So we'll also be using eggs. Eggs are very healthy for babies and toddlers. They contain choline for brain development. They are very high in protein and they help build up calories. Now I boiled 2 eggs and I'm peeling the shell off. We're just going to be using the whole egg. If your baby is 6 months and above, you're free to use the whole egg, except if your child is allergic, then you can use just the yolk. Then next up we'll have bananas. And I have a bunch of bananas here. Just go ahead and use 3 to 4 pieces of the bananas. Don't mind these bananas, or they are ripe but they are just green on the outside. So we'll just go ahead and peel off the bananas and then we are going to set them aside. There are so many recipes I have shared here that have helped countless of mothers to make healthier meals for their little ones. And if other mothers can be able to make these meals, you should also make yours for your baby, especially if you're a subscriber or you just bumped into this channel. Now let's talk about something that is very important. Sometimes parents prepare different food for their babies, but they still wonder why their child is not gaining weight. Now, there are a few common reasons that your child is not gaining weight despite all the food you're feeding them. The first one is that your child may not be getting enough calorie-rich foods. A child can eat a lot, but if the meals are low in energy, they may still struggle to gain weight. The second reason is lack of variety. Sometimes we just keep giving the same food every day to our children, and the child may not be getting a wide range of nutrients despite the amount of food that he or she is eating. The third reason is that some meals may not be suitable for your child's age. Yes, so the texture and ingredients of that meal matters. Now we're going to combine everything into the blender, the yogurt, the egg, the rice, and everything, and we're going to give it a very good blend. Once everything is finely blended, voila, your baby healthy, super calorie rich, nutrient dense meal is ready. Guys, just look at this recipe. This is incredibly delicious, like very, very delicious and calorie loaded. Just few ingredients, you have created a high calorie meal for your baby. Now, this meal here is suitable for babies from 6 months of age. Yes, if you want to give it to babies from 4 months, you can as well give it to the baby, but make sure you consult your pediatrician before starting at 4 months. This is healthy, this is super delicious. If you want to feed this to your baby, you can serve as breakfast, as lunch, as dinner, and do it consistently for 7 days. You're going to get amazing results. The scale is going to move. Yes, if your child is skinny or on the thin side, feeding your baby this meal consistently is going to yield a better result. Now let's move on to the second one. Now, for the second recipe, and like the saying goes, the best is always saved for the last. Honestly, this recipe is one that I can assure you and guarantee you that if you can feed this to your baby consistently, I repeat, consistently for 7 days to 14 days, you are going to chat me on the phone, you're going to give me gifts if you try this and it eventually works for your baby, because it is going to work. It is going to work. I guarantee you this. If you have a child who is struggling to gain weight and I want you to pay close attention to this recipe. I don't even know how to explain it, because sometimes you just need to look at the ingredients and understand the power behind them. This recipe is not just about filling your child's tummy. It is about combining ingredients that are naturally rich in energy and nutrients. Now look closely at the ingredients we are using and follow the preparation process carefully, because every step matters. The first ingredient we are starting with is granite, also known as peanut, and today we are using the fresh peanut. Yes, we are using the granite with the shell, not just the roasted one, and we are going to boil this granite until they become very soft and fully The next powerful ingredient we are going to be using is walnuts. If you have been sleeping on walnuts, this is your sign to start exploring them. Walnuts contain healthy fats and important nutrients that can make homemade baby meals more nourishing. I have shared countless recipes here using walnuts, and many mothers have told me how much they enjoy adding this nutrient-rich ingredient to their children's meal. And if you're watching from outside Africa and fresh walnuts are not common where you live, you can still use the dried walnuts. Simply soak them properly before using them in your recipe. The goal is not to make complicated meals. The goal is to combine simple, nourishing ingredients in a way that gives your child more value from every bite. So after preparing our walnut, we are going to deshell it just like I have done. And after deshelling it, you're going to rinse it out so that if there is any shell that got stuck to the body, it will all go out. After rinsing it out, you're going to keep this aside. So keep watching, because the final result is something you wouldn't want to miss. And like I say, this recipe is guaranteed. You may wonder why we are using fresh granite instead of roasted one. Yeah, fresh granite contains healthy fat, protein, and energy, making them a very wonderful ingredient to include in meals for growing babies. Now, for your baby or your toddler, healthy fats are very, very important because they provide concentrated energy in small portion. Remember, your little one have small stomach, so every spoonful counts. For your child to gain weight, whatever they are eating must be energy dense, calorie rich, and it must be super nutritious. Once your granules have boiled and cooked very well, please make sure that they cooked very well. You just transfer it onto a sieve and sieve out the water. Once you sieve this out, you're going to deshell it as well, and you're going to use the seed inside. Fresh granules are in season now, so they are easier to find around. You can always buy this and keep in your house and use for the different recipes that we'll be trying on this channel. This is actually one of the best times to make this recipe if fresh granules are available in your area. Now, after boiling the granules until they are very nice and soft, you're going to remove the shell and you're going to set it aside, like I said. And like I was explaining before, the fourth reason why your child never gains weight even after eating is lack of consistency. One healthy meal once in a while may not make much difference for you. If you're a kind of mother that gives your child a good meal on Monday, and then before you prepare another good meal, it will be till Friday, you're not going to see any results. What matters most for a child to gain weight is creating a routine of nourishing meals. Now, as a mother, you should have a meal plan. That meal plan is going to help you know what to feed your baby. I have said it countless times. It's going to help you to become consistent. And when I mention consistency in every of my video, I am really, really serious about it. If you want any recipe to work for your child, make sure you are consistent with it, right? And you're going to see amazing difference. So many of you complaining that your child is not gaining weight are not even consistent. Some of you give breakfast as late as 10 o'clock. It is no longer breakfast. Breakfast is from 7 a.m. Yeah, especially if you're working on weight gain. Now, the next powerful ingredient we're going to be combining is plantain and potatoes, like you can see from my video. Make sure you wash them very well, and you're going to slice them into small bits that will be very suitable for boiling. You're going to do that for the plantain as well. The plantain is going to add a subtle sweetness to the meal. And the potato, like you know, is already rich in calorie. All of them combined together are going to work for the benefit of your child. And then the last reason why your child never gains weight even after eating is that some children simply have different growth pattern. So it is always important to pay attention to your child and seek advice from a healthcare professional if you have concerns about your health or about their growth. Sorry, some of them are also hereditary, so you should also check that as well. Now, once everything has been peeled and chopped into small pieces, you're going to transfer them into a pot, pour a little water, and then you're going to cook this until they are fully cooked. So while our potatoes are cooking, I want us to have a little mom-to-mom conversation. I have been on different platforms talking with mothers, reading their messages, and one thing I keep seeing over and over again is this concern about weight gain. Many mothers are worried because they look at their child and they ask themselves, why is my child eating but not gaining weight? Am I preparing the right meal? Am I giving my child enough nutrients? And I want to hear from you today. Like, seriously, we are talking mom to mom. I want you to tell me in the comment section, what is your child's biggest challenge? Is your child eating well but still not gaining weight? Is it because you are not sure of what high-calorie meal to prepare? Or is there another issue affecting your child's appetite or growth? I want you to talk to me. This is not just a cooking channel where I come, show you recipe and leave. No, I want this to be a community where mothers can share, learn, and support each other. So tell me in the comment section, how old is your child? What is your child's biggest concern right now? Because I am thinking of creating a personalized meal plan based on the different ages and different challenges of your babies, and I'm going to give you a free meal plan. And I'm going to create either a WhatsApp group or a Telegram community where we can discuss, share ideas, and follow up on how your little ones are doing. And the reason I want to do this is because this community is not just about me. I am here because of you. And if it was only about my own child, I know the things I will do, the food I will give, and my child will, get the appropriate nutrient. But I created Chubby Baby's Kitchen because I know that there are many mothers looking for guidance, ideas, and support. So please don't just watch quietly and leave. If something is worrying you about your child's meal, talk to me, talk to mama, talk to your chubby nutritionist. Your comments might even help another mother who is facing the same challenge. So let me know in the comment section your child's age, your child's biggest feeding problem or weight concern, and what kind of help that you need. I am listening, and you may be lucky to join our WhatsApp or Telegram group where you get a personalized meal plan. So Chopstar, our meal is ready. Just look at this creaminess with a little bit of fiber in it. Guys, this is a meal that works. And like I told you, just be consistent with this meal. Go and try this. This is from your only one chubby nutritionist. You are going to give me a huge feedback. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Chubby Baby's Kitchen for more healthy baby food recipes, and tell me in the comments how old is your child and what is your biggest challenge with feeding or weight gain. I read your comments and your story could help another mother too. Share this video with a mom who needs healthy meal ideas for their little one. And until we meet again, remain blessed and bye.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.